Aloha gang, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be making an EDM banger using Scalar 2. Let's get it. Okay, so this came as a suggestion on one of my latest videos, and I love it when you guys push me to get outside of my comfort zone. Check it out. Yeah, and he's not wrong. All of the past videos have been sort of trap, chill, lo-fi. That's just what I'm into, but I wanted to really put it to the test and see how easy it could be to come up with an EDM style hard banger. If you guys are new here, I just want to say what up and welcome. I am Aloha Alex. I have over 20 years experience as a producer, writer, and performer, and I made this channel for the new and experienced producer. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that little thumbs up so I know you're following along. This is my first attempt at EDM music. Let's see how easy it can be with Scalar 2. So this is the beat I have set up that we're gonna kind of use as our jumping off point. We'll keep that as the metronome in the background. Okay, now let's go ahead and come down to EDM and let's try some of these chords out. First, we're going to want to bind our chords to our MIDI controller. I kind of want something, let me pause that for a second. I'm going to want something a little bit darker. That's pretty cool. It's kind of uplifting. Let's try a different sound. Come over here to the side panel and let's pick a let's hear that with the beat. Let me slow that down just a hair. Let's come down to maybe 120. We'll keep it at 120, 122. I like that sound. Let's see what else I got. Oh, we still got so many more to go through. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Real quick, you guys, what genre should I try and tackle next? Drop it down in the comments below. Let's do it. Let's lay this one down. Okay, so hit record and let's lay it down. Dope. Okay, now let's duplicate that. And we're going to use this same chords as a melody. So I'm going to go ahead and click, make sure we're on our melody track, and I'm going to hit perform, and then I'll hit performances. And actually, let's come down here to sequences. This is one of the new ones, one of the new features in the newest update. And I'm going to change the sound. I'm going to want something a little bit more plucky. Raise it up an octave. Oh my God, it's so easy. Okay, now let's see if we can add a bass. I'm gonna duplicate it again. This is the same chord progression that we got from the first track, and I'm going to hit perform, come down here to bass. And let's go to trance bass. Wow, they make it that simple. And then we're gonna come down here and let's pick something. Let's go saw bass, and let's just solo this just to hear it. Let's just hear it with the melody. It's kind of spazzy. Let's see how we can clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna come down here to the sequence and just kind of move stuff around. Let's hear this again. Maybe I'll make this halftime. It's so freaking easy. Thank you for putting me out of my comfort zone and making me try something new. This is why I love it, being a two-way street between both of us. So keep those suggestions coming, and I will try to get to as many as possible. So what did I tell you? It is so easy with Scalar 2. It never ceases to blow my mind. I just went through some basic presets, just kind of went down the list and picked something that I thought was cool, and it was already starting to turn into something really cool. And I know with a little bit of mixing and some arrangement, this could turn out to be a really awesome song. If you guys want to know more about the new updates, the brand new updates in Scalar 2.4, click on this video right here. I do a full breakdown so you can see exactly the power that lies within this awesome plugin. As always, feel free to reach out. I am here to help anytime. See you guys on the next one.